Hello and welcome. This is a presentation about the Virgin Group. I will be discussing the products, services, and the marketing strategies followed by the company, and also the new opportunities and threats that they may face in the future. From very humble beginnings, Richard Branson has paved his way into success by founding the Virgin Group and making it one of the largest enterprises in the world and becoming the most successful entrepreneur of our time. Richard Branson started his business ventures through a chain of record stores called the Virgin Records, and since then the Virgin Group has grown rapidly to become a multi-billion-dollar company as we know it today. He was also knighted for his services to entrepreneurship in the year 2000. The Virgin Group's core businesses are travel, entertainment, and lifestyle, and it also manages ventures like financial services, healthcare, transport, and food and drink. And together, the Virgin's businesses consist over 400 companies all over the world. Airlines, gaming, holiday cruises, wines, railway, hotels, financial services are many of the services that are provided by the Virgin Group through its various subsidiaries. Over 60 Virgin businesses serve over 60 million customers worldwide, generating a total revenue of $24 billion, employing over 71,000 employees in 35 countries. Richard Branson, through his charismatic and vibrant personality, has become the ultimate brand ambassador of his own company and has made the Virgin Group a household name all over the world. As evident by this picture, dressed as an air hostess for Virgin Atlantic, Richard Branson, with his charismatic and fun-loving personality, has endorsed his brand to make Virgin Group a strong and successful brand name. Richard Branson has followed a basic philosophy of having fun at work and paying attention to the customers, but as well as limiting possible losses, and he has always surrounded himself with people who can make his ideas a reality. Understanding the development in the market, developing various products, customer engagement, thinking like a customer, social media usage, everything have been the core reasons for Virgin Group's successful marketing of its brand. As every other company, Virgin Group also has some strengths and weaknesses, and it also has many opportunities as well as threats ahead in the future. Richard Branson's unique ideas and management strategies have taken shape into over 400 different businesses all around the world with a strong brand image, and these are the pillars of strength for the Virgin Group. Informal work environment and diversified use of a single brand leads to reducing revenues and tends to become a weakness for the company. And due to this, Virgin's businesses are walking on thin ice moving forward. Virgin's plan for the future must be towards discovering new horizons and expanding the businesses, as well as becoming more and more engaged to the customer and providing to the society through its green message campaigns. As any business expands, there are more and more sharks circling around, and that is what is faced by the Virgin Group as competition rises. And the Virgin Group also faces dilution of various businesses due to losses, which may affect its customers. Virgin Group is one of the world's most profitable organizations with a revenue of over $25 billion in the year 2015-16. This slide presents the revenues of some of the biggest earning businesses of the Virgin Group. With the world facing many environmental problems, foundation of non-profit organizations like Virgin Unite, consulting with scientists and environmental enthusiasts, Virgin Group is trying to become more responsible towards doing good to the society and environment. To tackle with the various social and environmental problems all around the world, Virgin Unite, a non-profit organization, has been started by the Virgin Group to reduce the environmental risks to a minimum. Richard Branson has always caught the eye of people through his inspirational quotes as well as his book entitled The Virgin Way, and he has been an inspiration for entrepreneurs all around the world. In this presentation, we have talked about the history, the influence of Richard Branson, and the marketing strategies followed by the Virgin Group. So now let's sum up everything we have talked about so far. The influence of founding chairman Richard Branson, the diversified portfolio of over 400 companies, rising revenues, focused business philosophies, and strategic marketing structure have been major factors in the success of Virgin Group. This was all for the presentation now. This is Saurabh Joshi signing off. Thank you. Goodbye.